Today I'll be showing you how to bypass a non-working home button issue with the iPhone after resetting it. First, make sure you turn off the phone, unplug it from the computer, turn it off completely. Once it is off completely, you would need to connect it back to the computer, not the regular charger, but to the computer. So not into the wall. Make sure it's connected to a computer, and once it's fully off, just connect it and leave it. Do not press the power button or anything. Just let it turn on. Once it turns on, it will automatically bypass the home button. As you can see, you don't need to press the home button to get back into the phone. You just automatically go in it. And of course, you would just need to activate the phone afterwards. Continue. Thank you very much for watching. And as you can see, for some reason, right now it just registered that the home button is not working, and it gave me the home button. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. Please like and subscribe.